Hi, I'm Leslie Palumbo, and I'm at Dysart High School. I'm here to talk to you about the Business and Marketing program that I currently teach, and it's a 2-year program that we offer our students. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 7, 8, and then we have an internship opportunity for our students to participate in. Usually we like to have them do that their senior year. The things that you're going to learn in business and marketing will prepare you for different types of careers. You can be an entrepreneur, you can be a marketing specialist, you can be somebody who's in the channel management, which is a great career opportunity for many. One way that we integrate our skills and building those skills that you need to be successful in those different career fields is through our lab. And let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. We have a school store on campus that our students actually, they become employees of the school store. And then the 3, 4 management students, they actually manage the employees. They create schedules, they do all the inventory, they purchase our products that we sell in our store, and they also are able to design and create our school spirit shirts, if you will, and any other types of school spirit items that we have. So the other thing that they learn is customer service, because it's very important. You know, you can't have a successful business if you don't know what customer service is. And then the other thing they learn that's integrated in the lab is applying those marketing mix elements that every business needs to know and be successful at doing to being able to run and operate their own business someday. So it's a great experience. The other thing we do is we do integrate our DECA organization as part of our class, as well as opportunities for our students to compete locally, nationally, in the different skills that they learn. So it's a great opportunity. Please, if you're interested, get in contact with your counselor, and please look at our website, and I look forward to having you guys in my class.